Hey guys, this is Ghost AES, first motovlog. I'm using the Panda Lavalier mic, so I want to see actually how this sounds. Hopefully it's good and not too windy or anything. It's a little bit chilly, not too bad. I need to actually do a video of what bike I'm bloody riding. But when I get time, I'll actually do a full-on walk around the bike. I'm gonna obviously show you guys what it's got in terms of mods and stuff. But yeah, I need to go fill up as well. Feels good, you know, when you don't ride a bike after ages and then you come back on. This adrenaline rush you get feels amazing. So just a quick intro. I actually passed my test in December. I was supposed to have done my whole bike lessons and test in August, but then I had an operation, so that kind of delayed it. So I thought, you know what, I'll have to wait like 4 months for my recovery. So then thankfully I passed first time in December, and then you know the urge, I'm sure the bikers will know, that urge when you pass, to be fair it's the same with the car. Once you pass your test, you're like, okay, I need to get on, I need to get a car now, I need to get a bike. But obviously I don't know about insurance, to be fair. My insurance actually paid about £300 for my first time, which isn't too bad. And that's because somebody on my insurance policy had a bit of an accident, so it kind of affected me for some weird reason. But yeah, I mean, it's not bad for the first time, you know. But yeah, so got the insurance out. I was researching for a load of bikes, you know, to be fair. I was looking at Triumph Street Triple R's. Yeah, to be fair, they were all in the 600, 700 range. I didn't want to start off on like a 300-400 because I knew I'd get bored quickly. Although it probably would have been a better bike for me to actually improve my skills, etc. But to be fair, I mean, the 650F is actually a really good bike. There's not that much power and torque down low, it's all in the mid-range and high range. So in actual fact, it works out better for me. So since December until now, I've just basically been practicing, you know. I've not really gave it the full beans. I've just been driving slowly, practicing slow rides, because obviously that's key, you know. When you start off, you want to learn how the bike operates, how it handles, how it is in, you know, slow moving traffic. Those are the key skills you need when you actually ride on the road, because to be fair, anybody can ride fast, but actually being able to control the bike is another story. This is just a quick ride. Obviously it's about, what time is it? Bloody hell, it's about 6:30. So it has gone dark about an hour ago. I wanted to go early in the daytime, but because of work, didn't really get time. So I thought, I still need to go out. So I decided to come out and have some fun by my own. If you're in a group, and especially as a beginner, if you're in a group, I reckon it's very easy to get carried away and possibly even get into an accident. And even somebody like myself who's driven fast cars, etc., it's still difficult, you know, because this is a completely different machine compared to your car. So yeah, self-control is very hard. So I mean, for anybody out there who's actually learning to ride as a beginner, I definitely recommend just taking your time, go out on your own, go locally on the you know, through the roads. I tried to go on the motorway and yeah, I got hit by the wind so hard. I was like, you know what, forget this. And I didn't even have my phone on, so I didn't know where I was going. So yeah, I just turned back around. I kept having to stop over in the service station, and then I came back. I thought, okay, let me just practice on the local roads first. If you haven't seen my video, just yesterday I released, it's to do with this Peak design mount just here. And funnily enough, I'm not even bloody using it. I should have put my phone on there. But to be fair, I'm just driving locally, so it's all good. If you're wondering if I gave it the full beans on this bike, I actually haven't. I've only probably once gone up to about 9,000 revs. And honestly, it was super scary, especially, you know, when you're as a beginner rider compared to what you learn on. Like when I was learning on, I learned on a Kawasaki Z650, which are quite torquey down low. But this, obviously, it's like I'd say it's a sports tourer bike, not like the 650R where they're actually like a super sport bike. But this, when you rev it throughout the range, the peak power is at the top end. My hands are bloody freezing. Whew. That's one thing when you're learning to ride. Actually, to be fair, when you're riding, you kind of just have to like keep moving your fingers about. It's not like a car where you got like nice heating or AC in the summer, because if you don't, then you're not going to be able to operate the bike at all. Right, all fueled up, full tank. Can go in a bit of a blast now. Full speed ahead. Nah, I'm only messing. I wish I could do that. It's too risky right now. I'm not that brave. Not like a bad boy on YouTube going crazy on his MT-09. He rides CBC, he's got like 20 lives. Honestly crazy. But the MT-09 bike sounds bloody awesome. I've actually stuck my phone on this time. It's really odd, you know, when you see it, because it's my first motovlog, it's like you kind of don't know what to say. But I'm still a newbie, guys, so give me a break. I feel like I just gone to Antarctica and then bloody come back again. Oh, bloody freezing. My fingertips, like I was saying before, yeah, they're absolutely frozen now. I'm definitely gonna go back home. Oh, that was a good ride though. Can't wait for summer. I know summer will definitely be more enjoyable, warmer weather, and no frozen fingertips, that's for sure.